Day in the crafty cooking life of the second best worst YouTuber. Diamond painting, crafty, not artistic, crazy cat lady. Welcome to my day in the crafty cooking life. Second best worst YouTuber, somehow doing it right. Diamond painting nights, drills on my hands. Crafty, not artistic, but I've always got a plan. Crazy cat lady with the camera in her hand. Come hang out and see the mess I accidentally planned. Learning to love myself, crown getting polished bright. Working on my glow, becoming the queen I know I am inside. Please like and subscribe to this Hot Mess Express.
Hey y'all. Well, I have a little bit of a life update. I'm sitting here with breakfast and I've got a little bit of a haul, so that's fun. But I gotta put this hair up. Oh, do you like my hair? Do you like it? I love my hair. Jenny, who does my hair, does a fabulous job. So I got it done yesterday, which is why it's so nice and pretty and straight. I cannot get it this straight. Promise you, I can't. Okay. Um, so let's talk about the fun stuff first. I got this one. This one came from Barkology. I love her packaging. I love her packaging. Um, it is a paw print with a heart. And she gave me a sugar cookie um recipe, which is pretty cool. Not that I'm using these for cookies. I'm using these for pottery. So this is small, cute paw. Isn't that cute? And it's really well made. So this was regular 13.19 and I got it for 11.21 because of either a sale or a coupon. Because some of these were sales and some were coupons. I can't remember which was which. And it came from London. So there was a bit of shipping. Shipping was $9.14. Yay. And it's lovely. Um, so let's do a little bit of a life update. Uh, I've got some health stuff going on with some numbers that aren't very good. And my my doctor is sending me to the Kirkland Clinic here in Alabama. So that's a little serious. That's a little serious. It's a little scary, I must say. It's scary. But right now, don't know anything, and until I have some answers, I mean, I'd rather know, right? Because at least if I know, then I can do something. So, um, might get another life update when I know something. Because, I mean, if it's really serious and I have to go have some procedure or something done, I'm really enjoying recording and I don't want anything to stop that and take that away from me again. So hopefully it won't. I'm hoping it won't. Um, but we're just gonna wait and see, you know? Um, just kind of praying that whatever they find, they can take care of quickly, you know? But uh yeah, so I'm going to be here until I know something. And I've really been struggling with it this week, though. I have. I've really been struggling. Like, what if it's this? What if I have to start doing this? What if it's this and I need this? And I have to stop the stinking thinking. I have to stop the stinking thinking. So, um, because the Kirkland Clinic is where you go to get some serious answers. So, anyway, um, just wanted to touch base with y'all today because it is Sunday and I'm trying to post Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. So today is Sunday. I just got home from church. I have breakfast in front of me, trying to kind of snack on the toast and drink my coffee. Um, so just keeping y'all posted and trying to keep to my schedule. And I'm going to do my best to stay to my schedule. Um, as they say down here in the South, good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise. Mm. Other than that, I guess the other update is that my printer stopped working. My printer died on me. It stopped using yellow. Kind of need it. So, probably going to order a new printer today. But that's it. I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know, show y'all the cute cutter that I got. I'm probably taking this one with me when I go do pottery today, if I get to go do pottery today. And I'm taking this one to show my friend, because she's wanted an Auburn cutter. And I'll share. She's sharing her space with me. I'll share my cutter. So, all right. Y'all, my brain's been spinning since Tuesday. No, Wednesday, because I found out Wednesday. I just wanted to let y'all know what's going on. So if I seem a little off, I'm supposed to call Thursday if I don't hear from them first to find out when my appointment is for the Kirkland Clinic. So I have hair appointments all the way from September all the way through December because she fills up fast. And I need my printer working so I can print sticker kits for my planner. So, all right. I'll let y'all know what type of printer I find in my next video. Until then, bye y'all.
Thanks for riding the Hot Mess Express when